Hi dear girls,
Hi.
today we will be back with our quiz competition,
Yes.
okay, on paper 1 10th class social studies. Instructions you know as you have 15 questions, you get 2 marks for each and minus 1 this negative mark you have for every wrong answer.
Okay.
You should press the buzzer after completion of my question with answers. Understand?
Yeah.
Are you ready now?
Yes, of course.
The first question. People moving from their places to other places in search of better opportunities is called as urbanization, migration, immigration, immigration.
Migration.
Migration is the right answer.
Sahasra.
Good Sahasra. And the second one. In the year 1962, Rachel Carlson wrote the book Silent Spring, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So in that Silent Spring book, he said about the impact of spraying dash for mosquito control on birds and human beings. Okay, options are DDT, natural gas, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide.
DDT.
Yes, he mentioned about DDT in that book and its impact of spraying for mosquitoes control on birds and human beings, right?
Yes.
Next one. Pir Panjal and Mahabharata ranges are located in. Options are Greater Himalayas, Shivaliks, Lesser Himalayas, Western Ghats.
Lesser Himalayas.
Lesser Himalayas is the right answer. Pir Panjal and Mahabharata ranges are located in Lesser Himalayas. Good. A process of rapid integration or interconnection between the countries are called as liberalization, global warming, privatization, globalization.
Globalization.
Globalization. Huma?
Laksha.
Very good, Laksha.
Thank you.
Tax on imports. Listen carefully. Tax on imports is an example of trade barrier, trade wind, globalization, liberalization.
Trade barrier.
Trade barrier. Very good.
Sahasra.
Very good, Sahasra.
Thank you.
Kulu and Kangra valleys are in which range? They are located in which range? Options are Himachal, Himadri, Shivalik, Greater Himalayas.
Himachal.
Himachal. Good.
By Laksha.
What is the population of India in 2011? 123 crores, 138 crores, 121 crores, 141 crores.
121 crores.
Minus 1 for someone. Press the buzzer before.
Sahasra.
Sahasra?
Pressed it before the options.
Okay. The next one. Minus 1 you give her. And the next one. In which sector nature plays very important role? Options are agriculture sector, industrial sector, secondary sector, service sector.
Agriculture sector.
Agriculture sector. Very good. Next one. Healthiest person's BMI. What is the BMI of healthiest person? 16.5, 18.5, 15.5, 14.5.
18.5.
18.5 is the right answer. You know, right? What is the BMI?
Body mass index.
Body mass index. In between 18.5 to 25 is considered as
Normal.
healthy and normal. Very good. Now, literacy rate of women in India in 2011 is 85%, 96%, 64.46%, 76%.
64.46%.
Who is Mahmood?
Sahasra.
Sahasra, very good. And the next one, the stock of food grains, mainly wheat and rice, procured and maintained by the government through FCI, FBI, IBRD, NFC.
FCI.
FCI, to whom?
She pressed before the options.
Okay.
Laksha.
Give minus marks.
Minus
for her.
1 for.
Okay, the next one. In which sector we can find disguised unemployment? Options are disguised unemployment is observed in which sector? Agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector, secondary sector.
Agriculture sector.
Agriculture sector is the right answer.
Yeah.
Now, Suvarnabhumi International Airport is located in Thailand, Dubai, UAE, New Delhi.
Thailand.
Thailand is the right answer. Huma?
Sahasra.
Sahasra, marks 4. And in India, how many years in once census is taken? 10, 20, 15, 5.
10.
10 years. Very good. What is the full form of GST? GST full form.
Goods, services and tax.
Goods and service tax. Okay?
Yeah,
Goods and
service tax.
service tax. So maybe no marks for
Lakshya. Lakshya is the winner.
today's winner.
Lakshya.
Laksha, congratulations Laksha.
Thank you.
Today's winner is Laksha. Very good.